Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking you on an in-depth exploration of the top 10 best tactical military gear items available on Amazon. In this video, we're immersing ourselves in the world of tactical excellence as we unveil the most sought-after gear that Amazon has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned professional in the field or someone who values preparedness, these tactical gear items are designed to enhance your capabilities and boost your confidence. Number 9. Raptor Tactical Sentinel Skull Crusher. The Raptor Tactical Sentinel Skull Crusher is an innovative and versatile headgear designed to meet the demands of tactical professionals and enthusiasts alike. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this Skull Crusher offers a combination of comfort, protection, and functionality that sets it apart. At the core of the Raptor Tactical Sentinel, Skull Crusher is a commitment to user experience. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure and comfortable fit during extended wear, allowing you to focus on your mission without distraction. The adjustable straps and padding contribute to a customizable fit that accommodates various head sizes and shapes. One of the standout features of the Raptor Tactical Sentinel Skull Crusher is its enhanced protection. Built to withstand rigorous conditions, it provides reliable shielding for your head, ensuring that you remain safe in challenging environments. This level of protection is a testament to its durability and rugged construction. Additionally, the Raptor Tactical Sentinel Skull Crusher is engineered for adaptability. It is compatible with a range of accessories and attachments, allowing you to personalize your gear setup according to your specific needs. Whether you need to attach communication devices, night vision equipment, or other essential tools, this Skull Crusher offers the versatility to accommodate your requirements. Number 8. Baofung UV5R Tactical Two-Way Radio. The Baofung UV5R Tactical Two-Way Radio is a cutting-edge communication device designed to provide reliable and efficient communication in various tactical scenarios. This versatile radio is engineered with advanced features that make it an essential tool for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who requires effective communication in challenging environments. At its core, the Baofung UV5R Tactical Two-Way Radio offers a dual-band frequency range, allowing you to transmit and receive signals on both VHF and UHF bands. This capability provides greater flexibility in selecting communication channels, ensuring clear and uninterrupted communication even in densely populated areas or areas with obstacles. One of the standout features of the Baofung UV5R Tactical Two-Way Radio is its programmable memory channels. With a generous number of memory slots, you can store and access your preferred channels quickly, eliminating the need for manual tuning. This feature is particularly advantageous in tactical situations where swift communication is paramount. The rugged construction of the Baofung UV5R Tactical Two-Way Radio ensures its durability and reliability in demanding environments. Its robust design is built to withstand impact, moisture, and other environmental factors, making it a dependable companion during outdoor excursions or tactical operations. Number 7. Surefire G2X Tactical Flashlight. The Surefire G2X Tactical Flashlight is a high-performance illumination tool meticulously designed to meet the needs of tactical professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who demands reliability in low-light environments. Engineered with precision and backed by Surefire's reputation for excellence, this flashlight is a beacon of light and dependability in challenging situations. At its core, the Surefire G2X Tactical Flashlight features a powerful LED emitter that delivers an impressive output of lumens. This intense beam of light provides exceptional illumination, allowing you to navigate through darkness with confidence and clarity. The ergonomic design of the Surefire G2X Tactical Flashlight ensures ease of use and comfortable handling. Its textured body offers a secure grip, even in wet or gloved hands, minimizing the risk of slippage during critical moments. One of the standout features of the Surefire G2X Tactical Flashlight is its rugged construction. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, this flashlight is built to withstand the challenges of demanding environments. Its impact-resistant body ensures that it can handle the bumps, drops, and impacts that can occur during tactical operations or outdoor adventures. Number 6. Condor Mopc Modular Operator Plate Carrier. the Condor Mopc modular operator. Plate carrier is a highly adaptable and robust piece of tactical gear designed to provide superior protection, comfort, and customization for professionals operating in challenging environments. Engineered with precision and versatility in mind, this plate carrier stands as a reliable companion for those who demand the best in their tactical gear. At its core, the Condor Mopc modular operator plate carrier offers exceptional protection with its durable and rugged construction. Built to withstand the demands of tactical missions, this plate carrier ensures that you remain shielded against potential threats without compromising on mobility. The modular design of the Condor Mopc modular operator plate carrier allows for effortless customization. With ample multi-webbing on the front, back, and sides, you can attach a wide range of pouches, accessories, and equipment to tailor the carrier to your specific needs. This adaptability ensures that you have quick access to essential tools and gear, enhancing your operational efficiency. Number 5. Oakley SI Ballistic M Frame 3.0 Tactical Sunglasses. Oakley SI Ballistic M Frame 3.0 Tactical Sunglasses. These not only shield your eyes from harsh elements, but also provide a stylish and protective solution for your vision. Number 4. CVLife Tactical 3 9x40 Rifle Scope. CVLife Tactical 3 9x40 Rifle Scope. Precision and accuracy are elevated to new heights with this remarkable scope, making it a must-have for any marksman. Number 3. Garmin Tactics Delta Solar Tactical Smartwatch. We delve into the world of cutting-edge technology with the Garmin Tactics Delta Solar Tactical Smartwatch. This wrist-bound powerhouse offers tactical features and connectivity at your fingertips. Number 2. 5.11 Tactical Rush 24 Military Backpack. Pick is the renowned 5.11 Tactical Rush 24 Military Backpack. Engineered for versatility and durability, this backpack ensures that you're equipped to handle any mission, no matter how demanding. Number 1. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. This discreet yet potent tool serves as both a self-defense mechanism and an everyday utility, exemplifying the fusion of functionality and innovation. These top 10 tactical military gear items epitomize Amazon's dedication to providing high-quality solutions to tactical enthusiasts like you. Dive deeper into each product by checking out the links in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest gear reviews and tactical insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best tactical gear Amazon has to offer. This is signing off. Stay prepared, stay vigilant, and stay tactical.